If you've ever tried to grow in laterite soil, you know the struggle. It's often hard, iron-rich, drains too quickly in the dry season, and turns sticky and compacted when wet. While mulch and compost are essential starting points for improving it, they're just the beginning. To truly transform laterite into a thriving, plant-friendly soil, you need to go beyond the basics. At Hydrohaven, we're diving deep into the lesser-known yet highly effective amendments that can bring life back to this stubborn soil type. One of the most overlooked allies in laterite soil revival is the humble earthworm. You don't need to buy them, just invite them with the right conditions. Earthworms thrive in soil that's rich in organic matter and stays moderately moist, but the game changer lies in attracting native species that are already adapted to your climate and soil. Introducing aged manure or buried kitchen scraps in trench-style feeding zones can lure them in naturally. Once active, earthworms tunnel through compacted laterite, boosting aeration and water infiltration while leaving behind nutrient-rich castings. Their activity breaks up crusty layers and jumpstarts microbial life that laterite soil desperately lacks. Next up is Biochar, a powerful yet underused amendment that offers more than just a carbon boost. Biochar, when properly charged with compost or compost tea, acts like a sponge for nutrients and moisture. In laterite soil, where nutrients tend to leach away and organic matter breaks down too quickly, Biochar provides long-term stability. It creates tiny pockets where microbes can thrive, and roots can anchor during dry spells. Unlike compost, which decomposes over time, Biochar remains in the soil for years, slowly enhancing structure, reducing acidity, and buffering nutrient release. Mixing it in with your compost layer or applying it beneath mulch layers ensures it doesn't blow away or sit idle. A third secret weapon is fermented plant juice, often used in Korean natural farming. While not as popular as compost tea, fermented plant juice, or FPJ, can supercharge soil biology in laterite zones. Made by fermenting fast-growing weeds or fruiting plants with brown sugar, FPJ is applied as a diluted spray or soil drench. It delivers plant-based growth hormones and enzymes that awaken soil microbes and stimulate root activity. In soils where biological life is minimal, this boost helps plants establish faster, especially in the early stages of soil recovery. Green manure, while often associated with large plots, can also work wonders in small garden beds if done strategically. Instead of simply growing and chopping it down, try using shallow-rooted legumes that help bind laterite's fine particles and add nitrogen. Cowpea and lablab are excellent options that grow fast, fix nitrogen, and soften the surface. When chopped and dropped, they serve as both mulch and biomass input, feeding worms and microorganisms while improving soil texture. Over time, their decomposition adds much-needed carbon and nitrogen, reducing the stark red glare of barren laterite. Finally, don't overlook powdered rock dust. Laterite soils are often mineral-rich in iron and aluminum but deficient in trace elements like calcium, magnesium, and silica. A fine basalt or granite dust slowly releases a wide array of minerals that support plant health and microbial activity. It's not a fast-acting amendment, but when applied consistently with compost and water-retaining mulches, it helps balance the mineral profile of laterite soil and supports more resilient root systems. Laterite doesn't have to be a gardening curse. By layering these powerful amendments, earthworm attractants, biochar, fermented plant juice, green manure, and rock dust, you can build a soil system that supports long-term fertility, structure, and life. It's not about quick fixes but sustainable transformation that works with nature, not against it. If you found this guide helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to Hydrohaven for more practical soil revival strategies, and share this video with anyone battling with red, tired soil. Let's bring laterite back to life, one handful at a time.